Next, we have Eyal from Wix, a company that's making its first appearance here at the conference. Welcome. And Eyal Veitzman from Wix. Please welcome Eyal.
Hi, everybody. So this is our first time here and my first time. So thank you for having us here. It's wonderful and so interesting to see how relevant this industry we were not so exposed to before, how relevant it is to Wix. So I'm Eyal. I run the operations at Wix globally. So for those of you who don't know Wix, I'm just going to introduce Wix a little bit. But before that, I couldn't relate more to what Alan just said, right, about WordPress. Obviously, my answer is a little bit different, but the concerns about WordPress are definitely there. So a little bit about Wix. So Wix is a leading website platform. We have over 160 million users all over the world, adding 2 million users every month. Okay, so if you think about it, 2 million new users every month. Out of the 3,000 employees that we have, half of them are R&D people. So we are a pure technology company. That's our core. That's what we do. And that's, I think, part of the reason why it's so interesting to be here with companies that are serving the same audience, right? So we have no intention of being the operations company or customer facing in that aspect. Was founded in 2006, basically with the same vision in mind. Back in 2006, the vision was to allow anyone, and that means really anyone, to create pretty much whatever the hell they want online, exactly the way they want it. And in the last, I think, 2 years, we've realized it's not only that, because having a front as an ADI builder, as a website builder, is not enough. Okay, you need to also provide tools to grow and manage the business, and you'll see in a minute what I mean. And when I walked around yesterday and here in the last few hours and talking to many of you, I get asked the same questions. What are you doing here? Okay, so you're a DIY platform. Why are you here? And the reason is we're here to learn, and mainly learn from you guys. What is it that we can help boost your business and your users' business? And leveraging our experience with the same SMBs over a decade, I think can be really, really interesting. So a little bit of education about how does it look becoming a Wix user, right? So you just log in, register with your email, creates a site, and we have a variety of tools. We'll go into just an overview in a second. But when we look at the users and we talk to them, we really try to understand not who they are, because they are everywhere. It's like asking who are Google users, right? It's anyone. But what is the level of their computer skills, and what are they trying to do? And we have a tool for pretty much anyone. And then they finish, and some of them purchase a subscription. We have almost 4.5 million users who pay for us, who pay for our services. But if we do take a look at what do these users do, I think you'll find a lot of commonalities, right? So it can be anything from a home designer, an architect, a small clinic. So if you want to schedule meetings, bookings, run shifts, event planners, that needs to not only get the leads and convert them, but also set a meeting and follow up on the event. And there is an after event and sell the tickets. And there is an after event follow up and so on. Just a lawyer firm, and obviously selling online goods. It can be digital goods, by the way. It can be physical goods. And when you look at the history of Wix, I know it's been talked a lot about here about product innovation. This is how we see product innovation. We talk to thousands of users every month. That's our product manager's job. Talk to users. Do not think about the next product, just talk to users. Try to understand what is it that they need, and then build it. And we actually deploy a change to our system every 2.5 minutes. So we ship a lot. And you can see the variety of the core tools that we have. It really depends, my mother is not really highly computer skilled. She barely has an email, but she loves her jewelry hobby and really wants her friends to know, so she created the website using the ADI. ADI is the first and leading artificial design intelligence, so it's the first AI tools. Pretty much allows you to answer a few questions, create a website with your content, images, text that is tailored for you. And on the other end of the spectrum, there is the Corvid by Wix, which basically allows you, it's not a closed platform, it allows you to build using code anything that you want. And that means anything you can think of and you can code, that's it, you can build it. So you're not limited to the closed platform idea. And obviously in between, we have our classic editor that you can leverage our design templates made by really talented designers who know the web and know how to optimize for SEO and data structure, like Tyler mentioned, and so on.
Introducing.
Oh, sorry. So that's the Wix ADI. Okay, that's how it looks like.
Introducing Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence. With Wix.com, you can create your own stunning website. Tell us who you are and what you do. Then Wix Artificial Design Intelligence learns what you need and creates a stunning website for you. Complete with beautiful images, videos, and text. And you can add even more as you grow. Like your own online booking system, so customers can book appointments right on your website. Or add a beautiful blog. Want to change your look? Try a different design theme. There are hundreds to choose from. Easily change your images and videos. Play with any layout. Your content will automatically adjust to fit perfectly. With Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, everything just falls into place. Go to Wix.com to create your stunning website today.
That was Wix ADI. We also have the editor we talked about. It's about customizing anything to create your professional website. But as I mentioned at the beginning, that's not enough, because building a front is great, but you also need to manage your business. So we created a suite of tools in one place that are heavily integrated that allows you to do that. But talking to these thousands of users every month, we asked and we learned, how is it to run a business? What are the main gaps? And from these conversations, as I think Elise mentioned it, they spend 16 hours a week, right? It's even less in our case. It's like they have no time to invest in their business. They want to do the thing that they're good at. So we took all the needs of marketing, okay, and made it into a tool, an automatic tool, okay, that can be integrated to the website. So basically, a website comes with a managing suite of tools. So obviously marketing, just think about sending an email. Sending an email following up on a purchase, you need to think about the content, design it, send it in the right time, remember to send it. Follow up on the results. We've automated all of that. If a visitor comes into the website, you automatically get a notification, it's added to your contact list, and you can act upon. Obviously, you need to close the sale. So just that flow is managed with reminders. And then you want to make this person a repeating customer, right? So you can actually offer a coupon for the next visit and collect the payment and create a small community around your business. And this is something that is growing. We see started to grow local communities around businesses. By the way, you can manage it from the mobile, all of it. And then it's not enough because you want to grow your business and you want to do it quickly. But thinking about data structure for SMBs is like, it's really hard. So we've done it for them. So the SEO tool is just, we partnered with Google and we index the sites in seconds. They're all the content. Social posts. You want to create videos. By the way, video converts 40% better in sales. So we have a small tool to create videos. And so on. So we have a short video. It's kind of a lot to go over in a presentation. Let's see how it all comes together.
When you're running a business online, building a professional site is just the beginning. Next, you'll need to turn site visitors into leads, bring in more site visitors, and build lasting customer relationships. You can do all this in one place with Ascend. Let's take a look. First up, turning visitors into leads. Every Wix site comes with live chat built in, so you can reach out to visitors as they browse your site. You can answer questions, encourage sales, and collect contact details with this lead capture form. Here, you can create automations to keep visitors engaged when you're not around to chat. So let's set one up. Choose the trigger, like a visitor submitting a contact form, the action, like sending a chat or email response, and the timing. Let's make this one immediately. We chose email as our action here, so let's personalize the message. First, choose a template. They're all professionally designed to help drive clicks, so you just need to use drag and drop to add your own text and images. Now let's see how to bring more visitors to your site. Create eye-catching social posts like this. All these designs are in line with the latest social trends, just customized to suit your brand, and share on Facebook and Instagram. You can also make a stylish video ad in just a few clicks. Fun fact, promoting your business through video can boost your revenue by 49%. So when you're happy with your edit, share it directly to Facebook or YouTube. By connecting your site to tools like Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics, you can create targeted ads and monitor how people interact with your site and campaigns. These stats let you know what works and what doesn't, so you can optimize your next campaign. Once you've got your brand out there, you can expect more site visitors. So now you need to start building customer relationships. Let's see how. So, a new visitor arrives on your site, and they ask you a question. You get a notification on your phone and respond right away. You help your visitor out and encourage a booking or sale. Every chat conversation is automatically saved here in your inbox. And you can manage all your contact info here too, adding notes and labels like this. This helps you give great customer service. When it's time for payment, you send out an invoice from here. Now your new site visitor is a paying customer. Let's turn them into a regular. With this handy shortcut bar, you can send out a discount coupon to encourage a second booking or purchase. And next time you're having a sale, let this customer know with a beautiful email campaign. Wix's email marketing solution is synced with your contact list, so you can easily manage your mailing list, targeting all your contacts, or just a select group. Try it yourself. Ascend by Wix is built into your Wix site, so start managing and growing your business today.
Okay, that was a lot of information there. But I think if you take a look at the tool, it's not just about building a website. Building a website is great. This is what we do. We love doing it. It's not enough. So we've created a suite of tools around it that comes with it and highly integrated to the website so you can manage it all in one place. So we recently, we are over 160 million users worldwide, and recently we understood that this care for SMBs is not special for us. There are other companies in the world, surprisingly, that care the same about SMBs. And it's been a pleasure to partner with Entity Town Page recently. And I would like to invite Mr. Misumi-san, Senior VP of Entity Town Page, to tell us how is the experience from a partner side to Wix look like. So thank you very much.
Thank you for Veitzman-san. Allow me to use memo for my presentation. Okay. Let me explain why Entity Town Page go into the strategic partnership with Wix. As most of attendees know, Entity Town Page is a YP company in Japan. Now we are facing depression of print business and are forced to change our business model from print to digital. In other words, digital transformation DX. In order to accomplish DX, under penetration of GAFA into Japanese consumers, we recognized that conventional internet yellow page ad is not enough. Thus, we decided to introduce digital marketing solution for our SMBs in place of selling our directory ads. As our solution tool should be easy to understand, not complicated for our SMB owners. So we think that web-paged solution, that's just like a web platform, that includes digital marketing functions using state-of-the-art technology as all-in-one package as a service base would be most appropriate for Japanese SMBs. As a result, Entity Town Page selected web page builder giant in US and European market, Wix.com, as a strategic partner. Though Wix does not provide us with white label service, Wix and Town Page agreed to introduce co-brand business model in Japan. The brand name is over there, Entity Town Page, digital lead powered by Wix. In this case, some of YP companies at this conference feel curious about how Entity Town Page makes profit by just reselling Wix product that are already served in Japan through Wix web channel as DIY product. I'm going to ask you this question. Entity Town Page tailored Wix service into new do-it-for-me service by adding a special value such as just like a consultation, creation and production of the web page in place of SMB owners, and operation of SEO, mail campaign, booking, and others. Because Japanese SMB owners' IT literacy level is not so high, and the owners are pretty much busy. Entity Town Page's one-stop and full support approach in place of SMB owners is really beneficial. Now, our customer can have their own web page, including generating a business lead function only at $70 per month. This price includes initial website production fee, so it's really strategic price. Successful launch. Entity Town Page started to sell this service at September 1st and has got around 300 contracts from SMBs for 2 months. Dentist, recycling shop, reform, beauty salon, and others. Various SMBs ordered the digital lead powered by Wix in Japan. They evaluate design, sophisticated design, homepage design, SEO tools, and creating second web page in place of main homepage, and in a contact form, mail campaign, and others. That's the point our SMB really prefer this service. Then, so we Entity Town Page are really happy to establish this special strategic partnership with Wix. We hope this partnership and co-brand business model leads our SMBs to their business success. And as a result, Wix and Entity Town Page also thrive with our customers together. This is our vision of the partnership. Thank you for listening, and I'm going to talk back to Veitzman-san.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Misumi-san. It's always special to hear someone else talking about your business, especially such a good partner. So thank you. You have the clicker, maybe? Yeah. Okay, so this is our last slide. As I said, we're here to learn from you, and I'll be happy to take any questions now or later about how can we help you boost your business. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. We're running a little bit behind, but if someone has a burning question, we can take it now, or else you can find him at dinner this evening. Or okay, so I'm sorry, we're going to have to move on to the next one, but thank you very much. Thank you, and congratulations on your partnership.